So after that, here, okay, we are creating first. So this is the okay half, and this is the half. So this is nose. So this line I create because I want to like eyes parts from here and here. This is eyes parts. Okay, one eye is over here and one eye is over here. Okay, so now I just create eyes over here. So after the circle only, we are just modify the the parts of. Suppose to I modify this. Okay, here I modify like this. Okay. Small eyes. Okay, here you can modify over here. Make nose. Okay, here. Yes, beta, I went. So here like this. Now is camera okay, beta? Fujia? Brishti, you facing problem, beta? Is it okay now? Okay, beta. Fine. If you're facing any problem, tell me. I can try to solve that. Okay, so here I can create that. Okay, this is the character. So the wild, beer. So we can make it very nicely. Okay, here this open teeth little. Okay, how to draw the teeth and this part. Okay. Yes, beta. Yeah, I wait. Just I'm giving time. Just a minute because I'm recording. So I stop and join, stop and start, stop and start. So recording is come little bit of, when you watch my tutorials, practice students, that time it's little difficult to continuation. So that's why I just finish it and I wait. if anywhere you are facing problem, I show you, don't worry. Okay, so we are creating this that much. Again you finish, and then again I oh wait, okay, I'll finish. So fine, so we are giving this like this. So making here little setting, not much more, just create the depth. Okay, and we are using, I'm using this pencil, it's called just to make it little. Little setting, little, not much more. If you have a paper, we are just crazy creating some depth. Okay, not much. Always after the merging these things, now always try to erasing also. Merging is important as well as the erasing also important. Somewhere you need to, I don't know, my all eraser are going every time. I open my new eraser and I'm searching my old eraser where it is going. By the way, so we are making the depth. And few areas I need the highlight, so we just make it okay, the erasing few area, so it just help you create very fast to looks great. Okay, just see, just few areas I apply. Okay, like this. Okay, so I just erasing few okay, so after the erasing part done, so you can take some dark pencil, suppose to, I use dark pencil. So, just a second. Yeah, you can use the Camlin, this dog. And so create somewhere is a, you can put more depth. One more pencil is very good. I have this suggestion. You can use this Camlin, this pencil also very nice. It is also dark. Yeah, charcoal also can use with better. And one more. Okay. that is more dark. Uh, Basically, if you use a pencil, is better. If you use a pencil. Okay. So we are, see, this is a darkness. This is more darkness. This pencil. So it's also it's also dark if you put, but I need the Faber-Castell black. আরে একটুখানি উঁচু করে বললো, আমি বললাম যে কি দেখানোর জন্য করতে হবে না, বলছে যে ওরা এতটা মালিক এতটা উঁচু করার পারমিশন দেয়নি, তো আমরা আবার ডিসকাস করে জানাচ্ছি না, ডিসকাস করে জানাও, কিন্তু জাস্ট দেখানোর জন্য করে চলে গেলাম। ডোন্ট ডু দিস। একটুখানি উঁচু করবে বলছো, ওতে লাভটা কি হবে এটা করে?
দরজা যতটা পুরোটা লেভেলে
হ্যাঁ, ওরা অতটা টাকা স্যাংশন করে নিয়ে ওয়ান পেন্সিল স্মোক দেখেছি, ওটা তো বললো হ্যাঁ ইমিডিয়েট অ্যাকশন বলছি তো। You can make it more dark. This pencil more dark. It says Staedtler black, so we can use in this. So some areas I can apply like this. So how your drawing becoming nice and looks great if you are creating this using rubber, using these things, and the depth, dark depth, light depth. Okay. Muscles. Like this. হয়ে গেছে?
হ্যাঁ, প্র্যাকটিক্যাল এক্সাম।
আচ্ছা। আচ্ছা।
একটা ছেলে ছেড়ে চলে গেল, এলোই না, ফের কখন থেকে ওয়েট করছে।
Make it dark over here. Like this. Okay, I just make it little details. Okay, not we are creating. Just start next 5 minutes. No new drawing. We should draw at least 3 drawing in a session. So we are improving lots. So it's my intention to show you lots of things and develop your drawing skill. And you guys are doing amazing job, honestly. I see last few days I increase my quality of drawing little bit of and you are honestly doing very well. Honestly, it's very well. So this is it's really awesome. Okay. Hi, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
This is from Shinana's grandfather's mobile.
Okay, ma'am. Yeah.
Today Shinana joined via this on new time.
Okay, ma'am.
Just checking.
Sure, ma'am. Not issue, ma'am. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you. Yeah. So you can create over here line. Okay, like this line over here. So can create so some area I can use a dark pencil. You are also using dark pencil, isn't it? Shamnavi, Shreya, Brishti, you are using the different pencil. Yeah. Now your drawing quality is okay, increasing. So you are focus this also, you know, the materials also. What materials? You ask me questions that what materials sir I use for that. So then, because sometimes no, that materials also matter. Maybe your drawing is not coming that good because of materials. Proper materials I'm using. This is not that cost, the pencil. Only Staedtler is little costly, but otherwise this is other pencil is not that cost. This is 10 rupees, 8 rupees something. Okay, the Staedtler is only 80 rupees, but this is 10 rupees. This is also 10 rupees. This is also 10 rupees something, 10 to 20. So Faber-Castell 9000. Okay, Artline and the Camlin. Basically, Camlin is charcoal pencil, so I'm not using that much Camlin for this drawing. Okay. So this drawing we are basically in focus for the sketching. Okay, and sometimes I'm using rubber also, proper sharp rubber also. You need new rubber. Okay, so you need that. Okay, like this. Okay. So done. We can go ahead to the next drawing. Okay. So just 2 minutes. You can more take 2 minutes, and we are going to the next. Okay. You guys are amazing. I know I increased a little bit of quality of drawing, isn't it? But you guys are doing. Today I just not showing that details. Okay, I asked that few students, is it can I decrease the quality or it is okay? Samnavi, Brishti, this quality is okay, or I can little decrease or increase more details. Sorry, is okay? Is okay, right? Okay, not feel that tough. You can do it, manage it, right? Fine. This is fine. Now, other batch of Sunday batches, they are telling that sir, it's little tough sometimes, but we can manage it. So few students say that please increase little quality of drawing. So that's why increasing, and I see that you are doing well. Maybe it is little feel tough, but you can doing very well. So challenging is important. You know, sometimes if I do any drawing and you do this 2 minutes, 5 minutes, you can finish it. It is not challenging. When you are creating, like something little tough drawing and interesting drawing, that time you are actually feeling, like wow, now is a maja aa raha hai. This is feel well. Okay, chalo. So that feelings actually I feel by my insides. Okay, when I do any drawing, so I try to make it more crazy and more fantastic. Okay, so and you guys are also the same, I believe. Okay, you're continuously taking class and improving. That's really great.